Hello everyone, I am Abhinandan Das Modak, a final year trainee in the Department of Mechatronics Engineering and Smart Factory at RD Tata Technical Education Center in the batch 2021 to 2024. So today I am here to say a few lines about my 3 years journey, which is now coming to an end. So it was a very incredible journey. I am very thankful to all my teachers and all the staff members who have guided me in all these 3 years and helped me throughout. And I am very thankful to our teachers since recently I got placed in company Fanuc. So also I'm very thankful to Fanuc for seeing the potential in me and selecting me for the job. So talking about the placement at Fanuc, so it started with the online examination in which around 200 students took part, and after the first round around 50 students were selected. Then we had a group discussion round, after which some of the students got shortlisted. Then we had 3 rounds of interviews, one technical interview, then an HR interview, and then final interview by the heads of the company. And after many shortlistings, we got selected for the job. So I'm very thankful to my teachers who made me capable enough that I could crack the job, and very thankful to NTTF for giving us this opportunity and building us in such a manner that we became capable enough for our rest of our life. So very thank you, and I'm very happy as the journey comes to an end. Thank you very much.